Hi guys, welcome. Thank you for joining my channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this BOWFLEX 840 kettlebell. Alright, here we go. Owner's manual. Let's start off with the base. Here's a hologram. This is legit. This is real. Now this is a full solid 40 pounds or 18 kilograms. This is what the base looks like. Rubber cushions. This actually looked pretty nice. Here we have is the BOWFLEX colors, the red and black. The exterior casing is hard plastic, nice and smooth. Here we have is a steel handle, polished finish, won't hurt the hands, nice and smooth. Here we have this is the rubber knob dial. It says do not drop. The dial has a nice turn to it. Nice solid feeling that you know for sure you're getting the right weights selected. To show you guys something really quick, let me put this to the lightest weight, 8 pounds or 3.5 kilograms. So this kettlebell is off this base. It needs this base in order for you to turn this dial. So I'll put this back. I'll change this to 40 pounds, the heaviest weight. Now I want to change this to the 8 pounds, I guess. I can't. It needs this base, needs this centerpiece to poke the release button. So that's a safety mechanism that they have here. Put this back on the base. Now I am able to adjust the weights. I think this is a nice design, nice solid build. So these are the individual weights. It's labeled 1, 2. So you can't mix and match. These are set in a specific order. This is what it looks like on the inside. And you have your 4 rubber cushion. Depending on your hand size, this kettlebell might not be for you. The handle isn't that big. There are 6 different weight selections. Let me show you them all. 40 pounds being the highest, 35, 25, 20, 12, and 8 pounds. This dial can go 360 rotation.
Thank you guys for watching this video. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I'm going to do some abs. I'll see you guys until next time. Peace out.